Wow, crikey, dear viewers. I am amazed at this. I don't like these tower blocks at all, really, but, you know, here in Dallas, Manchester, but you have to admit, that is quite striking, seeing all that low cloud and the mist coming up. Look at all this. Wow. That's where that's the Hilton Hotel over there. We're going there. Jeepers creepers. Sorry, I've just spotted that freight train still stuck at the sidings. Well, stuck at a junction, rather, on a red aspect. There's a few more towers in the mist. How close we'll be able to get. This was the freight train I posted in a video a moment ago. Ooh. And in the distance there, just see if I can make out what type of train that one is. Well, it's an electric. See this one go as well. I've not seen it really go before. There she is. Class 66 doing what she does best. And I've not seen an electric Northern multiple unit before on my travels either. When I've been filming anyway. And there's the final carriage. Oh, it's a class 769. Well, there we go. See you in the next one. Bye.